This is a no Wi-Fi security camera. It doesn't require any corded electric power. It comes with an 8-watt solar panel that will keep the camera always operating. It's perfect for outdoor places without Wi-Fi, such as farms, houses, warehouses, RVs. Features an advanced motion sensor that can quickly and accurately detect any movement from people or animals. It will send an instant alarm notification to your phone. You can easily adjust the sensitivity of this function in the app to match your preferences. It's designed for any weather as it's waterproof. It can work in 10 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. It's equipped with a two-way audio feature, allowing you to communicate through the device at any time and from anywhere. It delivers 2K high resolution. You can view through its wide-angle lens featuring 355-degree horizontal and 120-degree vertical rotation. It also has a siren option. Even in complete darkness, it has full color night vision. It has 4 built-in spotlights. You can activate the spotlight for enhanced visibility at night. Simply turn it on manually through the app. It comes with a prepaid 4G SIM card that includes 300 megabytes of trial data. The camera is only compatible for use in the US and works with AT&T, T-Mobile, and Verizon.